Good afternoon, Bicolandia. Muling nagbabalik po ang ating Bicol Universities and Colleges Athletic League pagkatapos po ng ating devastating typhoons, at kahit nga ganun yung nangyari dito sa ating Naga City, tuloy-tuloy pa rin po ang aksyon na ibibigay namin sa inyo. And of course, kasama nyo pa rin po kami sa aming pagbabalik. I am Christina Alcanzo Reyes and with me is Rick Puerta para maghatid po sa inyo ng aksyon muli dito sa loob ng Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium.
Ayan, teen bakbakan between the NCF Cubs and Ateneo Junior Golden Knights. So two teams na talagang ready dito sa araw na ito matapos ang ating long break sa ating Bucal Season 6. But right now, again, these two teams are known for their big crowd. And at this moment, dito sa loob ng Ateneo de Naga Gymnasium, ang NCF community is talaga namang suportado dito ang kanilang kupunan. And on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights, hindi sila magpapahuli because this is their home court advantage dito sa larong ito. But maya-maya makikita natin at matitignan or malalaman kung sino ang mananalo between the Ateneo Junior Golden Knights and the NCF Cubs. So maya-maya, dito ang dalawang kupunan na ito, makikita natin ang mga adjustments because after, nabanggit ko nga after that long break, talagang I'm sure nangangati na ang mga kamay nitong magpa-shoot dito sa ating covered court. So maya-maya, let's see kung ano ang magiging performance ng dalawang kupunan na ito.
Ayan nga Rick, kaabang-abang nga yan. At of course sa ating team bahay na hanggang ngayon di pa rin po makakapanood dito sa loob ng Ateneo Gymnasium. Live na live po tayo sa ating Bucal Facebook page, Oragon Sports TV and One Media TV48 Naga Facebook page. Kaya naman hindi kayo mahuhuli sa ating maaaksyon na laro dahil magsisimula na po in just a few minutes itong ating hinihintay na labanan ng Ateneo Golden Knights at ang ating NCF Junior Cubs. At nasabi nga natin kanina Rick, talagang hinintay ng mga tao kasi ang daming nangyari dito sa ating after the typhoons. Pero ngayon talagang bumabawi at isa nga yung sports na talaga namang pinapakita or talagang nagiging rason kung paano tayo magpapatuloy muli dito.
So these both teams, the NCF Cubs and the Ateneo Junior Golden Knights, is known for their strong teams, defense and offense sa loob ng ating court. So maya-maya masusukat dito kung kaninong team ang makakakuha or makaka-add ng 1 point dito sa ligang ito. So on the side of NCF Junior Cubs, if I'm not mistaken, sila ang pangalawa sa ating standing. And let's see kung ma-maintain ba dito ng NCF Junior Cubs ang kanilang momentum pagpasok ng ating second round of elimination and patapos na nga. So dito malalaman kung sino ang magkakaroon ng magandang tsansang makuha ang first spot sa ating juniors division. And on the side of the Ateneo Junior Golden Knights, nakita naman natin on the previous matches na medyo kinakapos dito ang kanilang kupunan, but unti-unti nagkakaroon dito ng groove ang kanilang kupunan to win every matches na ginagawa nila sa loob ng Ateneo de Naga Gymnasium. So at this moment, makikita natin dito ang adjustment at bagong game plan on the side of Golden Knights para makuha ang panalo ngayong araw na ito. And to hear an update on the side of the Naga College Foundation Junior Cubs, let's call our courtside reporter Kyla. Hi Kyla, anong balita dyan?
Thank you, Rick and Tina. Good afternoon, Bicolandia, and to all our basketball fans who are watching us live via One Media, TV48 Naga, and Oragon Sports TV. We are now on the last week of the elimination round here at Bucal Season 5. Muli po tayo nagbabalik dito sa Ateneo Gymnasium. Ako po si Kyla Casulia at ako ang inyong makakasama on the side of Naga College Foundation Junior Cubs. Para nga sa laban nila kontra Ateneo, handang-handa na silang ipakita ang bangis ng mga Tigre. According to one of their star player, R.D. Vargas, everyday training after the typhoon nga ang kanilang ginawa, and also they focus on their weaknesses during their last game against the ACLC Hawks. Yan nga ang naging preparasyon nila for this game. Nag-focus din sila sa kanilang depensa dahil nga dun sila kinulang last game. Paalala ng coaches, palaging makinig at mag-stick sa kanilang sistema na binigay, and always always give their 101% for this game. That's all for now. Back to you, Rick and team.
Thank you so much, Kyla. Ayan nga po, handang-handa ngayon ang ating Naga College Foundation Junior Cubs. Dahil nga pagkatapos nung mahaba-habang pahinga, ngayon, ito na yung chance sa muli nila para ipakita yung galing ng kada players dito. At sabi nga ni Kyla kanina na yung ating NCF Junior Cubs, talagang nakita natin na yung laro nila against the ACLC Naga, nakuha nila yung kanilang unang talo, kaya ngayon mukhang babawi itong ating NCF Junior Cubs. But on the other side, the Ateneo Golden Knights is also ready to conquer the stage again for our basketball team. Kaya titignan natin what will be the adjustment on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights pagkatapos ng ating mahaba-habang break. And to hear an update all the way from the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights, let's hear it from Les. Hi Les, any updates?
A high-flying afternoon, Bicolandia. We are back again here at the Ateneo de Sta University Gymnasium for another game day of Bucal Season 6. This is the last dance of the second round of eliminations as we draw closer to the face-off, a match between the Naga College Foundation Cubs and the Ateneo de Sta University Junior Golden Knights. I am your courtside correspondent, Christine Habala, reporting from the bench of the Blue and Gold Ateneo Golden Knights. After a long hiatus, we are now back again to give you another electrifying match as the two powerhouse teams collide for a relentless energy and spirit. The Ateneo Golden Knights, though facing some adversities, and of course with only 9 out of 15 players on their team, are still determined to give us a good fight. With that, the question remains, who will have a sweet taste of victory in this game? Let's stay tuned for the next chapter of this electrifying season, only here on One Media, TV 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
Ayan, thank you so much, Liz, for that update. So, the Ateneo Junior Golden Knights are ready to step up in this last match for our second round of elimination. So, this Ateneo Junior Golden Knights, according to their courtside reporter, is ready for this matchup between the NCF Junior Cubs. This is the moment for the Ateneo Junior Golden Knights to step up and get a win against the NCF Junior Cubs, and para patunayan dito, kaya nilang talunan dito ang kanilang opponent. Now, nagsisimula ng ating first quarter of the match, and ball possession will go on the side of the Ateneo Junior Golden Knights.
Ayun nga Rick, yung ating mga supporters dito talagang na-miss nila yung action dito sa loob ng Ateneo Gymnasium. But right now, the ball will go on the side of the NCF Junior Cubs. Now, IK. 18 seconds to shoot on the side of the NCF Junior Cubs. Passes now to Diamante. 13. Vargas, key player of the NCF for the first basket. Para dito sa ating first quarter. Big three coming from him.
So great start on the side of the Junior Cubs. But right now, Ateneo Junior Golden Knights aims for that one, pero no good.
Now back to the side of the Junior Cubs here. Now we've seen the plays of the NCF Junior Cubs on the last games. Itong ating kupunan na ito, napakaganda nung pinapakita nilang performance. But on the game against the ACLC Naga, nakita natin yung unang pagkatalo nitong ating NCF Junior Cubs, at nasabi natin kanina, Rick, na this time babawi itong ating NCF Junior Cubs, pero hindi madaling kalaban itong ating Golden Knights. So let's see after the series of plays here. 5-0 on the run. NCF with a steal. Now Borromeo with the ball.
Now, as you've mentioned earlier, this NCF Junior Cubs is ready to claim another win this afternoon after that upset match between the ACLC Naga. 5-0 on our scoreboard, and a great lead coming from their team. So chance for them to showcase their talent at this moment and get this win to add their points on our standing. Now, great defense on the side of their team.
No good on that one. Now Ateneo still struggling here to get a point. Abyog. Won the ball. But that's the traveling violation. Now, this first quarter ng ating laro ay napunta sa NCF Junior Cups yung magandang momentum. And let's see kung tuloy-tuloy ba ito. Now, Ike with the ball. 7 minutes on our time para dito sa ating first quarter.
Ike with the ball. And Vargas again fights for that three. No good. Great defense on the side of Ateneo Junior Golden Knights. Abyog passing the ball to his teammate.
Now, Abyog passes to jersey number 14. Now, fadeaway shot. No good. Still, the NCF Junior Cubs having that 5-point lead against the Golden Knights here. Ike. Pass now to Vargas to Borromeo. 12 seconds to shoot here. Pass on the outside. Jersey number 77 going in. No good. Second chance. Buhay na buhay. Yung mga fans ngayon ng ating NCF. Ito yung na-miss nilang action after 3 weeks na nagpahinga itong ating Bucal Season 6.
And now, Junior Golden Knights. What a great block coming from Borromeo. Wasted opportunity para dito sa Golden Knights. So I think isa yun sa magiging highlight dito on the side of the NCF Cubs. Napakaganda sana ng passing on the side of Ateneo. But again, Borromeo, one of the standout player on the last match against the ACLC Naga. Now, Cummings to Vargas.
Now chance here for the Golden Knights. 7-0 nothing run here. 5 minutes and 50 seconds remaining on our first quarter. Sarmiento now handling the ball to Bilano. Heavily guarded here. Now let's see. Pass on the inside. Sarmiento was there for the first basket of the Golden Knights here.
So yun ang kailangan dito ng Ateneo Golden Knights if they want to cut this early lead na hawak ng ating NCF Cubs. 7-2 on our scoreboard and 5 minutes and 20 seconds remaining. Ike passing the ball to Vargas. 4 seconds to shoot and that is good para dito sa Junior Cubs. Another 3 points ang papakawalan dito ni Vargas. Again, nabanggit ito kanina ni Kyla, the courtside reporter on the side of this Junior Cubs, na talagang si Vargas is very dedicated on that delay na nagawa dito ng mga typhoons on our matches. So, let's see one more time on that. Sulit na sulit ang kanilang training on the several weeks na nabakante sila para dito sa Bucal Season 6 at napatawag nga dito ng timeout ang kupunan ni Coach Mac because at this moment 10-2 na ang ating scoreboard. Kailangan ditong maidikit ng Ateneo Golden Knights ang kanilang score and build momentum dito sa natitirang 5 minutes and 12 seconds. Ano kaya ang magiging adjustment on their sides after this timeout called by Coach Mac? Yan ang aabangan natin dito. So sa ating mga live viewers, mag-shoutout po tayo maya-maya. Babasahin namin ang inyong mga comments sa ating Oragon Sports TV, Bucal Facebook page, and One Media TV 48 Naga. Sa ating mga loyal viewers, maya-maya po mag-shoutout kami. So ayan, we are back on the court para dito sa ating first quarter and ball possession will go on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights.
At ayun nga, Rick, after this timeout, I hope that the Ateneo Golden Knights is back on their gameplay. Because at this moment, the NCF Junior Cubs andun na sa mataas na momentum na kanilang kupunan. And at this moment, another steal from their side. Nagmamadali dito, Diamante, cutting that easy 2 points. Now, ito na yung kailangang habulin ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights at 10-point lead. Napakaaga pa pero yung laro ng ating NCF Junior Cubs, kitang-kita natin yung magandang communication and connection ng mga players natin. At nasabi nga kanina, itong si RD Vargas, very consistent from the very first game of NCF Junior Cubs. Isa talaga siya sa mga key players at napakalaki nung ambag niya dito sa kupunan ng NCF. Now, still this the ball possession of the Ateneo Golden Knights. 12-2, 10-point lead of the NCF Junior Cubs here.
NT, nabanggit mo kanina si Vargas, a player to watch out para dito sa Cubs. Talagang dapat bantayan on the side of the Golden Knights. And again, another error committed on the side of the Golden Knights. Ito ang kailangan nilang bawasan because again, they are behind by 10 points at this early point of time. And now, hawak ulit dito ng NCF Cubs ang bola, and Camins matatawagan dito ng traveling violation. And that last sequence, again, traveling is more fun with Naga and Travel and Tours.
Now, the Ateneo Golden Knights needs to take the advantage dun sa mga turnovers na nagagawa dito ng NCF Junior Cubs because we're halfway through our first quarter. 4 minutes and 18 seconds remaining here. 18 seconds for the side of the Golden Knights here. Let's see what will be the adjustment. Now, jersey number 14 with the ball. Nagmamadali dito. 13 seconds to shoot. Abiog with the ball. Guarded by Aike. Now to Sarmiento going inside. Pushes in para dito sa kay jersey number 5. Still no good. And now a rebound from the side of the NCF. Vargas. Buhay na buhay dito. At patuloy lang sa pagbigay ng puntos sa kapunan ng Junior Cubs. Now Santiago. 10 seconds to shoot here. Now that's a foul whistle.
Now free throw opportunity on the side of Junior Cubs. So another chance to add their score here. 12-2 on our scoreboard. And again, the Ateneo Golden Knights is still struggling on their offense at this moment. Talagang nai-intimidate sila dito para sa pinapakitang depensa on the side of the NCF Cubs. So what is the adjustment at this moment? With this 3 minutes and 42 seconds remaining para sa ating first quarter. Now, it's their possession. Bola. Again, great defense shown on the side of the Junior Cubs, but no good on that attempt. Chance for the Golden Knights here to score and add their 2 points here sa ating first quarter, and Santiago on that steal.
Now NCF Junior Cubs really did their best after nung ilang linggo nating pagpapahinga dito. Kitang-kita yung determination between the players. Now let's see here, Vargas again with the ball, attempting to take on a 3-point shot. Pero on the corner, Camins, no good. Dalovieres for a second chance point. Again, Dalovieres, napakaganda ng mga laro niya on the past games ditong ating NCF Junior Cubs. Isa sa mga players to look after here. Now, on the side of the Golden Knights, Fusho. A foul was whistled here. And 2 free throws will be given to Fusho. Now, this is a chance for the Ateneo. Kahit yung mga free throws nila kailangan ipasok. Because at this moment, 16-2. Big 14 points yung mailamang ng NCF Junior Cubs dito sa ating first quarter.
They should maximize every opportunity that goes on their side para dito sa first quarter ng ating laro. And clean basket para dito sa side ng Golden Knights. And I would like to commend the presence of our live audiences sa loob ng ating venue. Parami ng parami po ang sumusuporta sa larong ito. Ayan, back to the ball game.
Now NCF Junior Cubs basketball. Murillo attempts, passes, the Cabins, tries, no good. Offensive rebound, pass to De La Vieres with that height advantage, no good. One more time for the NCF Junior Cubs. And they did it again with jersey number 7 taking on the lead here. Santiago getting that point. Now let's see. Sarmiento passes on the inside, loses it. Another turnover. And at this moment, this is the time where the Ateneo Golden Knights needs to double their effort. Dahil kitang-kita natin yung determination, enjoyment dito sa mga players ng ating NCF Junior Cubs.
Yes, everything goes well on the side of Cubs and their hustle pays off every moment na makakaroon sila ng point conversion, and at this moment, it's their ball possession. Murillo will fire for that 3 and Murillo will score.
Now Murillo having that big 3, adding to the big lead of the Junior Cubs. Now let's see, a minute and 17 seconds remaining. A steal from the side of the Cubs. De La Vieres. De La Vieres now will be on the free throw line for 2 shots there. 21-3. Grabe yung nagawang plays ditong ating NCF Junior Cubs with that duration of almost 9 minutes of the first quarter. No good on that first attempt of De La Vieres. Now let's see. Minute and 11 seconds remaining here. Now shout out dito Rick kay Mercy Palpalatok at kay EJ Palilio. Maraming salamat po sa inyo pagantabay. Now, De La Vieres adding 1 point, 22-3.
Nobelano to inbound on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. 1 minute and 7 seconds remaining for our first quarter. But Ateneo Golden Knights committing a lot of turnovers para dito sa ating first quarter. 22-3. They cannot afford to lose their chance every time na nasa kanila ang bola. And now, NCF with the ball possession. Murillo passing the ball to Jakub. And De La Vieres taking their time here. 8 seconds to shoot para sa Cubs. Murillo will try. No good.
Now having that remaining 40 seconds of the first quarter. Murillo will be on the free throw line for 2 shots. That's good for the first attempt. Now one more time, no good. Now this ball possession again of the Junior Cubs. Murillo with the ball. Passes to Cummins. No good. Ateneo nagkakagawan dito, but it will go on the side of the Golden Knights with only 27 seconds remaining in our first quarter. Now we've seen the variation of plays here on the side of the NCF Junior Cubs, but at the same time, dito naman sa side ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights, nahihirapan sila dito because a lot of turnovers para sa kanila.
Term ninyo as mayor, tsaka lang ako magsisimula ng aking law firm, I think I will be old by then to start in the practice of law. So kakusimulan ko na ho ngayon, but anyway, kung anong may tutulong ko sa inyo as a lawyer, pwede naman akong on-call pa rin. And then sabi, no, I'm just kidding you. Ikaw ang pinakatamang mag-isip. Tama yung decision.
3, no good. Offensive rebound. Tries one more time. A buzzer. But I think the officials will check if that last basket is in for the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. At syempre tuwang-tuwa yung mga fans ng ating NCF Junior Cubs kasi as we can see 23-3 sa pagtatapos ng ating first quarter. Nakita natin yung napakagandang laban dito. And of course sa ating mga basketball fans, tuloy-tuloy pa rin po ang ating aksyon dito lang sa Oragon Sports TV para sa ating second quarter. Pagbabalik. And we are back for the second quarter of the game of the Ateneo Golden Knights and the NCF Junior Cubs. Nagtapos nga po yan sa putos na 23-3 in favor of the NCF Junior Cubs. Now as we can see, tuloy-tuloy yung momentum dito ng ating NCF Junior Cubs. At sa lahat po ng basketball fans, we also would like to congratulate the Gilas Pilipinas for winning the game against the New Zealand for our FIBA Asia qualifiers ngayong 2025. Congratulations po. And now, let's see dito sa ating Bucal teams kung sino nga ba yung makakakuha ng kanilang panalo ngayong hapon na to. Will it be the Ateneo or the NCF Junior Cubs? Now,
ayan, Tin, mag-shoutout tayo sa ating mga live viewers. Shoutout kay Mercy Palpalatok, Maui Balane, Jillian Magadya, Dave Dianan, and kay Eliza Respeto. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panunood. Now, back to the ball game. Ball possession ng Ateneo Golden Knights. Now, Belano, heavily guarded here, and nice steal coming from Cummins. Cummins deliver. On that last sequence, another 2 points was added on their side.
Now, this second quarter, kailangan makuha na ito ng Ateneo Golden Knights. Makuha na nila yung kanilang connection between the players. Kasi up to this point, kitang-kita natin yung pagkawala sa focus nitong mga players ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights. And palaki na ng palaki yung kalamangan na nakuha dito ng ating NCF Junior Cubs. So after this first quarter, ano yung mga naging adjustment ng Ateneo Golden Knights para makita nila or malagpasan pa yung larong ginagawa ngayon ng ating NCF Junior Cubs? And at this point, it's their ball possession here, having 4 seconds remaining on their shot clock. On the corner now, trying. No good on that last sequence. But now let's see kung ano nga bang balita on the other side of things. Let's call on our courtside reporter, Liz. Hi Liz, any updates?
Rick and team, we are now on the second quarter of the game. During the first quarter, the Ateneo Junior Golden Knights struggled to find their rhythm, leading to missed shots and turnovers. Now, they have to make certain adjustments in order to dominate the succeeding quarters. Ika nga nila, there's still time to make a mount and of course for a comeback. That's it for the latest happenings here at the courtside. Back to you, Rick and team.
Ayan, thank you so much, Liz, for that update. So yun nga, they need an adjustment at this moment para talagang maidikit dito ang kanilang score sa ating second quarter up to the fourth quarter. Kitang-kita naman dito na nagkakaroon sila ng magandang pasa, but nagkakaroon lang ng kulang na offensa on the side of this Ateneo Junior Golden Knights. And right on cue, another wasted opportunity on the side of their team. That's why mapapatawag dito ng timeout ang kanilang kupunan. And to hear the side of the Junior Cubs, let's call our courtside reporter, Kyla. Hi Kyla, anong balita dyan?
Thank you, Rick and Tino. We are now on the second quarter of this matchup. Naging maganda nga ang umpisa ng laban sa Junior Cubs dahil unang quarter pa lang lamang na sila. During the huddle, coaches commended their effort during the first quarter of the game. And of course, sa magandang ipinakita ni R.D. Vargas na patuloy na pumupuntos ngayon. Paalala ng coaches, wag na wag magiging kampante at ipagpatuloy ang maayos na opensa at depensa sa laban na ito. Wag na wag kakalimutan ng kanilang mga bilin at ipagpatuloy ang magandang laro kontra Ateneo Golden Knights. Ayan muna for now. Back to you, Rick and Team.
Thank you so much, Kyla. Ayun nga, tuloy-tuloy lang yung gandang laro na ibinibigay ngayon ng ating NCF Junior Cubs from the start doon sa ating first quarter and up until now. Dito sa pagsimula ng ating second quarter, itong mga players ng NCF Junior Cubs talaga nag-enjoy dito. Kaya naman napakaganda ng connection nila inside the court. And titingnan natin kung magiging consistent ba sila. And after this timeout, what will the Ateneo Golden Knights do at this moment? Dahil stuck pa rin po sila sa 3 points doon sa ating first quarter. And as we can see, talagang nahihirapan sila. A lot of steals, a lot of turnovers has been committed on their side. But now let's see as we're about
Ayan, Ateneo Golden Knights magkakaroon dito ng puntos. So, they need to maximize that ball possession na napupunta sa kanila. And sabi nga dito ni Liz, the courtside reporter on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights, kailangan nilang mag-adjust dito para makadikit or matapatan dito ang pinapakitang depensa at opensa ng NCF Junior Cubs. And at this moment, it's their chance again to score. And a whistle coming from our referee. 2 shots will be given on the side of their team. So again, kailangan nila ditong i-maximize ang every opportunity that goes on their side.
Solomon on that free throw line, no good doon sa kanyang unang free throw. 29-5. Now let's see, even free throws is very important on their side here, pero yung sa kanyang second free throw, that's good. Now this another ball possession of the NCF Junior Cubs, having a great momentum here with the help of Vargas. Now Sutpin passes on the inside. Almost a steal here from the side of the Golden Knights. Morelia tries. Offensive rebound, no good. Now Solomon secure that ball. Abiog loses it again. And with that, a turnover and a chance again for the NCF Junior Cubs to widen that big gap dito sa ating second quarter. Back on the court, Borromeo.
Ayan, ball possession ng NCF Junior Cubs. Supin passing the ball to De Lovieres. 15 seconds to shoot para dito sa Junior Cubs. Supin will try for 3. No good. Offensive rebound para kay Loria. Wala pa din. And now, chance for the Golden Knights here to score. Santiago. No good. On that attempt para dito sa ating Golden Knights.
Now Borromeo with the ball past De Lovieres. 11 seconds. Gloria for 3, no good. Offensive rebound, Borromeo was there. Pass to Supin now. 10 seconds on the shot clock. There a basket count with the foul. So a chance for a 3-point play here for Supin.
Nice move para dito kay Sutpin on that last sequence. And here's Sutpin for a 3-point play. Santiago ipapasok dito on the side of Junior Cubs, and meanwhile on the side of the Golden Knights, 2 substitution. Ayan, mag-shoutout naman tayo dito sa loob ng Ateneo Golden Knights. Shoutout dito kay Fifi Arcangel na sumusuporta sa ating Junior Cubs.
Now, ball possession of the Golden Knights here. Dire-diretso. But the ball will stay on their side here. Now I think this is the time for the Ateneo Golden Knights dahil hindi pa nga natin nakikita yung talagang laro nitong ating Ateneo Golden Knights. Talagang napahingahan after that several weeks na wala tayong Bucal.
Yes. Kitang-kita nga dito, Tina, hindi ito ang game plan or ang performance ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights. So they need to wake up at this second quarter if they want to chase the big lead na hawak ngayon ng Junior Cubs. And now Belano fires for that 3, and this is good para dito sa Ateneo Golden Knights. Mukhang narinig tayo dito, Tina, ng Ateneo.
Now this is the wake-up call
Yes.
para dito sa ating Golden Knights. And I hope this will be consistent all throughout the second quarter because we're halfway through it. 4 minutes and 50 seconds remaining. 32-9 dito sa ating scoreboard now. Still the ball possession of the NCF. Supin to inbound. Now passes to Loria. Loria fires for 3, no good.
Now, Ateneo Golden Knights with the ball possession. At hindi pala natin pag-usapan na wala dito yung ibang key players on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. So, I think one factor ito kung bakit medyo natambakan dito sa ating second quarter ang ating Ateneo Golden Knights. But let's see kung ano ang magiging adjustment nila knowing na wala dito yung mga players na inaasahan nila sa loob ng court. Now, again, Ateneo Golden Knights with the ball possession.
Well, they should anticipate that without having the key players of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Kailangan nilang magdoble effort dito kasi wala yung ibang mga players na talagang gumagawa ng puntos. Wala dito si Claro and other players of the Ateneo Golden Knights, kaya nga nahihirapan sila dito to convert a point. While on the other side, the NCF Junior Cubs tuloy-tuloy lang sa pagpuntos dito after that last sequence coming from Loria.
Grabe. Napakaganda nung layup shot na yon ni Loria, and still para dito sa side ng ating NCF Cubs courtesy of Villaruel. Now, chance for them again to score. Borromeo fires for that three, no good.
Now, Belano with the ball, passes to Sarmiento. Sarmiento with 15 seconds to shoot, back to Belano. Heavily guarded here by Supin. Now, tries again for a three-pointer, no good this time. Loria with that rebound.
Loria tatawin ng bola on the side of Junior Cubs. Passing the ball to Borromeo. 15 seconds to shoot. Great pass but heavily guarded here. So, ball possession will go on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights for that last sequence.
Yes, that's a 3 seconds violation inside the court here for the side of the NCF Junior Cubs. At timeout nga yung kanilang tinawag dito. 34-9, 2 minutes and 52 seconds remaining. At kitang-kita po natin na dito sa ating second quarter, tuloy-tuloy pa rin yun magandang pagpuntos ng ating NCF Junior Cubs. While on the other side, the Ateneo nahihirapan pa silang makuha yung kanilang momentum. And at this point, kailangan na nilang gumawa ng paraan dito. Kasi kung wala naman yung mga key players nila, yung mga present na players, yung kailangan na magdoble effort dito. Mas gandahan pa yung kanilang opensa as well as the offense and the defense of the team. Dahil nga kitang-kita natin itong ating NCF Junior Cubs, talagang tuloy-tuloy na yung magandang laban na ipinapakita nila. Kailangan gawan din ng paraan ng Ateneo Golden Knights para sa mga fans na present ngayon dito sa loob ng Ateneo Gymnasium.
And you know what, team, these players na nasa loob ngayon ng court on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights, this is their chance para ipakilala ang kanilang names dito sa Bucal Season 6. This is their time to showcase their talent and step up big time to fill the shoes na nawala coming from their team. Now, dito sa ating second quarter, 2 minutes and 52 seconds. Ano ang gagawin dito ng Ateneo Golden Knights? Because this is only the first half of our match. So, madami-dami pa or mahaba-haba pa dito ang pwedeng trabahuhin ng Ateneo Golden Knights para maidikit dito ang score sa ating laro. Now, it's their ball possession.
And of course, we have Sarmiento and Belano na talagang nagpakitang gilas doong mga past na laro nitong ating Ateneo Golden Knights. And now, let's see if they can do this time. 12 seconds. Pero kudos para dito kay jersey number 5. Yap. Now jersey number 10 now. 18 seconds to shoot for the side of the Golden Knights here. Passes sa player ng ating NCF, Borromeo, having a fast break there. Adding to the fire para dito sa ating Junior Cubs. Now this is a big gap between these teams. 36-11, a minute and 53 seconds remaining. Albiol tries and another three-pointer coming from the side of the Ateneo.
So Abiog contributing 3 points on their team. It's a good sign para makabawi dito at makabuild ng momentum ang side ng Ateneo Golden Knights. Now, Sutpin fires for that long three, no good. Abiog with that rebound.
Now, the offense is not enough for the side of the Ateneo. They also need a strong defense here because as we can see, yung mga players ng ating NCF Junior Cubs talagang lulusot at lulusot. Now with that, another ball possession on the side of the Junior Cubs here. Supin passes to Borromeo again. Yung second quarter para naman dito kay Borromeo. Now let's see. 9 seconds remaining here. Pass on the inside. Loria to Supin. No good. And the ball will go on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights here. 50 seconds remaining. Vargas back on the court here. Vargas and Borromeo team up. Napakagandang makita muli na magkasama itong dalawang ito dahil talagang kapag andyan yung dalawa, yung 3-pointers nitong ating NCF Junior Cubs.
Deadly duo on the side of Tigers. And now, ball possession ng Golden Knights. Abiog will try one more time, in and out ball. And Junior Cub securing that ball.
Now Vargas passes to Borromeo. 12 seconds to shoot here. Back to Vargas. Vargas titira na tres. No good this time. 21 seconds remaining. Last possession of the quarter here para sa ating first half. Yup. With a foul here. He will be on the free throw line for 2 shots. 13 seconds remaining sa ating first half. And 36-14 yung nasa ating scoreboard ngayon. More than half yung merong kalamangan ngayon. Itong ating NCF Junior Cubs. Now that's good for the first free throw of Yap. Now let's see for the second time. Yap. 36-15. And that's good. Now that's a 20-point lead here. 10 seconds remaining. Borromeo with the ball. Let's see if we can have a point here. Borromeo tries. That's good.
Tansyado dito ni Borromeo ang ating court, and that's the end of our first half. 38-16 on our scoreboard, and the lead is on the side of the NCF Cubs. Magbabalik po kami for our second half. Only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
The next generation of engineers, the Naga College Foundation College of Engineering focuses on developing the analytical skills of students, hands-on experience, and engagement in technology-based research and innovation. Our top-grade facilities, newly acquired tools and equipment, exceptional faculty, and comprehensive curriculum ensure that students are well prepared to meet the demands of the engineering profession. We want you not just to be job ready, but innovation ready. Be an empowered and NCM engineer. Enroll now.
Join a community where creativity knows no bounds, where every idea is nurtured and every voice is heard. Discover your path, forge your future, and make your mark in the College of Arts and Sciences, where curiosity meets creativity and every voice is heard. A place where innovation thrives and diversity is celebrated.
Here in CAS, of course, you can be whatever you want to be.
NCF College of Arts and Sciences. Explore, create, transform, and innovate. Join us and be one of CAS.
Malakas at protektadong manok, unahin ang kalusugan. Nakastibay sa balanseng nutrisyon mula sa BMEG Integra. Katangi-tangi ang formulation nito. Meron itong balanseng protina at energy levels. Importanteng amino acids, vitamina at minerals. Siguradong malakas at protektado ang paglaki ng manok ninyo. Dito ka na sa BMEG Integra. Nakastibay sa balanseng nutrisyon.
Welcome to Unibersidad de Sta, Isabel, a place where excellence meets service. Here at USI, we empower our students with knowledge and skills and inspire to make a difference. Begin your journey to excellence and service with us.
Eyes on the target because it is time. One target, one mission. Designed for real-world challenges. Unlock your potential today at Naga College Foundation, College of Criminal Justice Education.
We are back here sa loob ng Ateneo de Naga Gymnasium for our second half. Again, matchup between the NCF Cubs and the Ateneo Junior Golden Knights. So again, kasama niyo po pa rin kami, Riquat, and together with me is Kristen Reyes. And on our court side, we have Kyla Casulla and Lizlene Habala. And now,
and a three-pointer coming from Borromeo. So magpasok ng ating third quarter. Now let's see kung babawi pa dito ang ating Golden Knights. Ngayon nandito na yung kanilang cheering squad. And with that cue, another point from the side of the Golden Knights. Now let's see, ito na yung labanan talaga dito sa ating third quarter.
yes. So dito natin malalaman kung magiging consistent ba ang NCF Junior Cubs or will the Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights have their clutch game at talagang mahabol itong kalamangang hawak dito ng kanilang kalaban. Now back to the ball game. Belano may hawak ng bola.
Belano, 41-18. To Sarmiento, having the guarded here, and still coming from Ike, having that fast break. Napakaganda ng third quarter na magsimula dito sa side ng ating NCF Junior Cubs. But a foul was whistled here. Now the ball will go on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Now, Sarmiento, Lucet, yeah, passes on the other side. Borromeo, libre dito. At talagang humihiyaw na yung mga pass ng ating NCF Junior Cubs. Let's hear an update para dito sa ating second half of the game. Let's hear it from Kyla. Hi Kyla, ano update natin dyan?
Thank you, Ricatino. We are now on the third quarter of this matchup, and the momentum continues on the side of the NCF Cubs. Back-to-back points nga ang naitala nila use their individual rules inside the court, and of course, the proper execution of their defense for this quarter. Kailangan nga maging sigurado sa bawat galaw na kanilang ipapakita inside the court before the end of the huddle. Coaches reminds them to continue what they started, enjoy the game, and always remember and execute their system. Yan muna for now, and back to the panel.
Ayan, thank you so much, Kyla, for that quick update. So, NCF Junior Cubs needs to be consistent, and talagang pangatawan na nandito ang kanilang pinakitang performance coming from the first quarter up to this second half. And let's see kung patuloy gabang aarangkada dito ang kanilang kupunan at makukuha ang panalo against the Ateneo Golden Knights. Yan ang malalaman natin. So tutok lamang dito sa Oragon Sports TV. And to hear on the side of the Ateneo Junior Golden Knights, let's call our courtside reporter Liz to give us an update. Now Liz, anong balita dyan?
Rick and Keane, as the game progressed, the NCF Cubs maintained a double-digit lead. During the first quarter and of course the second quarter, they are consistent and dominating the hard court. Now, clearly, the Ateneo Junior Golden Knights are currently facing a challenging quarter against the NCF Cubs. Yet, the Knights are still more determined than ever to give the Ateneo community a good fight. During the huddle, Coach Naga reminded them to stick to their game plan, execute it properly, and remember their roles on the hard court. They also need to relax and stay focused. Ibuhos na ang lahat at huwag magmamadali dahil hindi pa tapos ang laban. Now, their goal is to lessen the big point margin lead. Indeed, the Knights must hustle hard and play hard to dominate the third quarter. That's it for the latest happenings here at the courtside. Back to you, Rick and Senior.
Thank you so much, Liz. Ayan nga, stick to the game plan lang itong ating Ateneo Golden Knights at hindi nga sila nawawala ng pag-asa dito kahit napakalaki na ng kalamangan na meron ngayon ang ating NCF Junior Cubs at kailangan na lang nila gumawa ng magandang opensa at depensa dito. And now, let's see kung dito sa ating third quarter, dire-diretso na yung pagbabago ng momentum ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights. Because as we can see right now, 47-18 on our scoreboard. And the NCF Junior Cubs, patuloy-tuloy lang po sa pagbigay ng magandang laban. Now, on the other side, Vargas for a mid-range jumper, no good. Abyog with a rebound. Now, Yap, diretso sa loob, loses it, but a foul was whistled, and he will be on the free throw line for 2 shots.
Now, Ateneo. Again, kanina pa natin dito nababanggit na kailangan nilang para dito sa larong ito, and napakinggan nga natin according to Liz na mag-stick on their game plan kung ano yung napag-trainingan nitong Ateneo Golden Knights. They need to convert it now and ipakita dito sa loob ng Ateneo Naga Gymnasium na kaya nilang manalo or makakuha ng panalo against the NCF. Now, basket on that second attempt, so 1 point will be added on the side of their team.
At ayun nga, Rick, yung pinaka-priority ngayon ng Ateneo Golden Knights, ibawasan yung napakalaking kalamangan ng NCF Junior Cubs at yung paghahabol. Dire-diretso na lang yan pag nakuha na nila yung magandang timpla nila dito sa ating third quarter, because we're almost halfway through this quarter at this is still the ball possession of the Ateneo Golden Knights.
So foul was called on Borromeo on that last sequence. Ball possession will be go on the side of the Ateneo Junior Golden Knights.
Now, Abyog will inbound the ball here. 49-19. 30-point lead of the NCF Junior Cubs. Now Belano, pass to Sarmiento. 17 seconds to shoot here. Heavily guarded by Ike, going inside. Getting a point, no good. Now Ike. The NCF taking their time here. Pass on the outside, Vargas with the ball. Pass to Romeo. Tries for a three-pointer. A clean basket for him. Napakagandang third quarter para dito kay Borromeo. Hindi nalulobat itong si Borromeo as well as Vargas. Now Yap. A foul was whistled there. 52-19 on our scoreboard.
Ayan, Tin, kanina nagpakalwala dito si Borromeo ng 3 points at nabanggit mo rin kanina na pag nasa loob itong deadly duo Vargas and Borromeo, for sure magpapaulan sila dito ng tres sa ating larong ito. And hindi nila binibigo dito ang NCF community. That's why NCF community talagang humihiyaw at pumapalakpak because of the performance shown on the side of the Junior Cubs. But Yap makakakuha dito ng puntos on the side of Junior Golden Knights coming from that free throw.
And of course, nasabi mo nga, Rick, nakadagdag din kasi dun sa determination and excitement ng mga players yung cheering itong ating NCF community na hanggang ngayon nandiyan pa rin nakasuporta sa kanila. Now let's see here again, Borromeo with the ball, tries again for a three-pointer, no good this time. But a whistle foul. So we'll go on the side of the Golden Knights here. 5 minutes and 27 seconds remaining. Now, substitution here. Jacob, Gloria, De Los Fieres, Supin, as well as Murillo. Back on the court here para sa ating NCF Junior Cubs. No good. That first attempt of Yap dyan sa free throw line. Penalty na agad dito sa ating third quarter itong ating NCF Junior Cubs. Again, one more time for Yap. That's good. Back to 30-point lead here.
Now Yap doing the job on the side of this Ateneo Junior Knight squad. They need to step up here. Murillo will try, too short for that. Now chance for the Golden Knights to score. Sarmiento, tatawid ang bola.
Now that's a miscommunication between the players. Kanina pa nilang problema ito. The connection, hindi pa rin natin nakikita between the players of the Ateneo. Losing the key players, big challenge talaga para dito sa Golden Knights. Now, Murillo with that rebound. Passes to Jacob. On the inside to De Los Fieres. 7 seconds to shoot. Loses it.
What a great defense para dito sa Ateneo Junior Golden Knights. That's the defense na kailangan dito ng Ateneo para mahirapang magkaroon ng magandang opensa ang ating Junior Cubs. And kitang-kita nga on that last sequence, nakakuha dito ng free throw opportunity si Sarmiento.
Now, kung hindi nila matapatan doon sa opensa itong ating NCF Junior Cubs, gagawa sila dapat ng maganda at malakas na depensa para hindi makapuntos itong ating NCF Junior Cubs. And at this point, ito yung kailangan gawin ngayon ng ating Golden Knights para hindi mas lumaki yung panglobo nitong puntos ng ating NCF Junior Cubs. But this time, ball possession again here. Supin to Jacob. 10 seconds to shoot. Murillo with the ball. Trying to go inside. Block. And now, it's a ball possession of the Ateneo.
Again, nice defense shown para dito sa ating natitirang 4 minutes and 9 seconds on the side of the Junior Golden Knights. Yap. Magkakaroon ng point conversion ng Ateneo slowly but surely at this moment.
Now, Yap. Pasok dun sa ating third quarter at isa din sa pumupuntos para dito sa ating Golden Knights. Now, let's see with that defense of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Nakikita na natin yung pagbabago dito ng laro ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights, and they need to be consistent if they really want to get this third quarter against the NCF Junior Cubs. Now, let's see. Yap again. And with that,
And the boy on that screen, yup, is the name on the side of the Ateneo Junior Golden Knights. At napatawag nga ng timeout dito ang Junior Cubs because of that mini momentum na nabibuild dito on the side of Ateneo. And yup, leading the team para dito sa ating third quarter. Talagang kailangan dito magtulungan on the side of the Ateneo Junior Golden Knights if they want to chase the lead na hawak ng ating NCF Junior Cubs. So what would be the adjustment on both teams? Because again, itong NCF, nakita natin at this moment medyo hirap sa kanilang opensa at depensa. And on the side of the Ateneo Junior Golden Knights, ang nakikita rin natin ang paunti-unting pagganda ng kanilang game plan. Let's see kung magiging consistent ang both teams dito sa ating third quarter up to our final quarter sa larong ito. Now, shout out tayo sa ating mga live viewers. Shout out dito kay Rovic Raymundo, Weng Sumpay Murillo at kay Arthur De La Peña. Maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta.
ayan, we are back on the ball game. At talagang hindi hinayaan na ng NCF Junior Cubs na tuloy-tuloy yung maging momentum nitong ating Ateneo Golden Knights. So let's see after this timeout, will it be again on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights dahil nakita na nga natin yung pagbabago doon sa depensang ibinibigay nitong ating Golden Knights against the NCF Junior Cubs. And now, kailangan na lang nilang pagtrabahuin is yung kanilang opensa. As per Yop, talagang siya yung bumuhay muli dito sa ating Ateneo Golden Knights sa ating third quarter. But this time, after this timeout, Murillo having that big three. At hindi pa nga tapos yung malaking kalamangan dito ng ating NCF Junior Cubs. So let's see if the Ateneo Golden Knights babawi dito as jersey number 14 loses it. So it will be a turnover para dito sa ating NCF Junior Cubs. Maganda na tumawag ng timeout yung ating NCF Junior Cubs kasi kung hindi, tuloy-tuloy lang yung magandang laban, magandang laro ng Ateneo Golden Knights. But this time, nabawi muli ng NCF Junior Cubs yung kanilang momentum.
What a great tactics for our coaches here para sa ating laro. Talagang kapang-kapa nila kung paano maglaro at paano pumutol ng momentum on the side of their team. And now, Ateneo with the ball possession.
19 seconds to shoot on their side here. 2 minutes and 14 seconds remaining on our third quarter. 55-28, still a big up. Pero malaking contribution na din yung paunti-unting nababawasan ng Ateneo, yung kalamangan ng ating NCF Junior Cubs. Now let's see again as Yap having that ball. 15 seconds on the shot clock here. Lose it. Murillo with a steal. Akopas there. Solong-solo. Napakaganda. And the NCF Junior Cubs continues to give us a good fight here. Double team para dito kay Abyog. But the ball will stay on their side with only 16 seconds to shoot here.
Ayan, another quick shout out. Shout out dito kay Hailey Zape Averilia watching all the way from America. Kay Chen Nicolas. Kay Karel Notario. Kay John Almar Cordenete. Maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta.
Now, fans are cheering here. Sa ating third quarter, Murillo again with the ball. Pass to De La Vieras, back to Murillo. Tries for a three-pointer again, but this time no good. Murillo one more time. Fakes a one. No good. But De La Vieras, wala pa rin. But the ball will stay on the side of the NCF Junior Cubs. 57-29. A minute and 27 seconds remaining on our third quarter. Now talagang binigay ng NCF Junior Cubs yung na-miss na mga manonood sa kanila. Now, Sarmiento with that steal. Passes now to Abiog. 20 seconds to shoot here. Dire-diretso, no good. Pero yung bola mananatili sa side ng Ateneo Golden Knights with only 16 seconds to shoot here. Now let's see. Another chance here for the Ateneo. They need to have a game here. Santiago checking in here.
Now Abiog to inbound on the side of the Ateneo Junior Golden Knights. Belano will try, no good. And Murillo nagmamadali on the side of Junior Cubs. And Murillo with that point conversion.
Now Habana with the ball possession. Pass to Belano, now to Abiog. What will they do now? On the corner, back to Abiog. Tries for a three-pointer, no good. But an offensive rebound here. Fusho. 10 seconds. Amador, wala pa rin. Jacob with that rebound. 35 seconds remaining on our third quarter. Now the NCF Junior Cubs taking their time here. Now, 8 seconds to shoot. Jacob to Santiago. Pero that's a traveling violation. That point is not counted on the side of the Cubs.
So chance on the side of the Junior Golden Knights to add their score here. 16 seconds remaining for our third quarter. Now, jersey number 10 with the ball. Passing the ball to his teammate, and that connection magiging successful in that last sequence. And that's it. That's the end of our third quarter, 59-31, and the lead is on the side of the NCF Junior Cubs. Magbabalik po kami for our fourth and final quarter only here at Aragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
We're back for the fourth and last quarter of the game of the matchup of the Ateneo Golden Knights and the NCF Junior Cubs. For the first quarter, second quarter, and third quarter, the NCF Junior Cubs momentum napakaganda po, and up until now, nasa kanila pa rin po ang napakalaking kalamangan. And the Ateneo Golden Knights, paunti-unti po nakukuha yung magandang laban nila dito. But this is the last opportunity for the Ateneo Golden Knights para mabawasan yung napakalaking kalamangan ng ating NCF Junior Cubs. Now dito sa mga unang minuto ng fourth quarter, kailangan na magkaroon ng magandang depensa itong ating Ateneo Golden Knights para maiwasan na makakuha muli ng puntos itong ating NCF Junior Cubs at talagang paigtingin pa nila yung kanilang opensa sa pagpasok ng huling quarter nito. Now, on the free throw line, we have Amador. 61-31. Still a 30-point lead here. And even sa mga free throws, nahihirapan itong Ateneo. And even Habana is there. Hindi pa rin nila nakuha yung bola. Now Vargas. Pass is here to Jacob. Now to Santiago.
So turnover on the side of the Junior Cubs. Chance for the Golden Knights here to score. Yap with the ball. Heavily guarded here. And foul was called on Kamins on that last sequence. (61-31) and our scoreboard, and still malaki pa itong kalamang dapat habulin on the side of the Golden Knights. 10 seconds to shoot para dito sa Ateneo. And Kamins on that rebound, dire-diretso, itatabi ng bola, and Vargas with the ball. Tries for that one, no good. And now, Golden Knights with that rebound.
Now, as we can see your rig dito sa ating fourth quarter, itong ating Ateneo Golden Knights nagbigay ng 3-pointer para dito. At titignan natin kung ano yung magiging adjustment para sa ating last quarter sa side ng Ateneo Golden Knights. And to hear an update, let's hear it from Liz. Hi Liz, update natin dyan.
Bicolandia, we are now on the final and last quarter of the game. This time, the energy is still palpable here at the Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium as the both teams continue to fight for glory. The Ateneo community support is unwavering, which now serves as the motivation of the team. Now that the game is slowly getting neck and neck with both teams showcasing their skills, determination, and stellar performance across the board, the Golden Knights must keep an eye to the ball, double the hustle, avoid unnecessary turnovers, and remember that every possession counts to dominate the last quarter. Now we will see if the Ateneo Golden Knights can reclaim their glory against the NCF Cubs and defend their home court. I am Christine Habala, your courtside correspondent, reporting from the bench of the Blue and Gold Ateneo Junior Golden Knights.
And thank you so much, Liz, for that update. So, the Ateneo Junior Golden Knights need to double their effort para dito sa ating fourth and final quarter. And let's see if they will reclaim their glory against the NCF Junior Cubs. It's their ball possession, and Yap fires for that one. No good. Now, NCF Junior Cubs with a ball possession, and the crowd goes wild para dito sa larong ito. And to hear the side on the Juniors Cubs, let's go our courtside reporter, Kyla. Hi Kyla, anong balita dyan?
Thank you, Rick and Tina. We are now on the last quarter of this matchup. We've witnessed the Hunger Tigers to totally get the advantage for this game. And of course, their eagerness to win is always present during the huddle. They are reminded to stay consistent at huwag na huwag nang mapagod inside the court. Ika nga ni Coach, huwag nang pabayaan na makahabol ang kanilang opponent at gawin na lahat for the last quarter of the game. Coaches commended their effort that really helps their team to get the big advantage. Coach Alvin reminds them to stay on their composure for the last quarter. Give their all and show who the Tigers are. Yan muna ang update for now. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Team.
Thank you so much, Kyla. Ayan nga, itong ating NCF Junior Cubs, kahit nasa kanila yung napakalaking kalamangan, and they are really consistent on showing their skills here para sa ating last quarter. Hindi nila binibitawan yung napakagandang momentum na na-build nila during the first quarter of the game. But now, 63-36 on our scoreboard here. We're halfway through this matchup.
now Vargas on that free throw opportunity para dito sa ating natitirang 6 minutes and 10 seconds. Yan, puno na po ang ating venue, Ateneo de Naga Gymnasium. On the side, as you can see on our screen, on the right side, we have the NCF community, and on the left side, we have the Ateneo community. Talagang full support dito sa araw na ito. So maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. And syempre ang ating mga live viewers na palaging nakatutok sa live coverage ng Oragon Sports TV. Maraming salamat po.
And with that break, shoutout tayo dito kay Piper Adamos, Gabriel Medrano Arcangel, kay Kyle, at kay Christina Valenzuela. Maraming salamat po sa inyo pagkatabay. Now Sarmiento, no good on that one. Santiago with that rebound. Vargas ngayon at mamadali. No good. Sarmiento secured that ball for the side on the Golden Knights here. Now they're taking their time with 18 seconds to shoot. Now Yup handing the ball now. Pass to Sarmiento again. A good pass here. Pero nakuha yan ng NCF. Vargas solong-solo on that last sequence. Widening the gap against the Ateneo Golden Knights. Hindi na nila pinapakawalan yung napakagandang momentum nila dito. While on the other side, the Ateneo still having a hold here sa ating fourth quarter. And this time, it's Borromeo adding to a point here for the side of the NCF Junior Cubs.
What a great performance para dito kay Borromeo. Una ang steal and second on that point conversion. Wow. So napatawag na nga dito ng timeout ang side ng Ateneo Junior Golden Knights to clear things up. Dahil 5 minutes and 15 seconds na lamang po ang natitira sa ating laro. It's their time to bounce back para makuha ang panalong ito. Or at the same time, maibaba dito ang hawak na kalamangan on the side of Junior Cubs. So ayan, back to the ball game. Let's see kung kanino mapupunta ang larong ito.
Now, Rick, it will be difficult for the Ateneo Golden Knights to really have this, alam mo yun, parang madagdagan yung puntos nila at makahabol sa puntos ngayon ng NCF Junior Cubs. With that 5 minutes and 15 seconds remaining, andyan pa yung napakagandang opensa at depensa ng NCF Junior Cubs. So, it will be difficult for the Ateneo Golden Knights na mapaliit yung kanilang kalabangan, but still, they are trying here and sticking to their game plan. And as we can see, the players here of the Ateneo is really determined. Now Sarmiento passes to jersey number 14 with 10 seconds to shoot here. No good on that one. Now the NCF Junior Cubs still continue on getting a ball possession here.
Aike. May hawak ng bola and dire-derecho, but great rebound on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Jersey number 14. Passing the ball to Sarmiento. Fires for that three. No good. Magawa ng bola dito. But Sutpin securing that ball. Diamante. Losing that one. Pero andon si Villaruel. 10 seconds to shoot para dito sa NCF Junior Cubs. Diamante, traveling violation was called on him on that last sequence.
67-36. 4 minutes and 12 seconds remaining here. And the Ateneo still giving their all para mabawasan yung kalamangan na hawak ngayon ng ating NCF. Now Belano taking their time here. Belano with only 10 seconds on their time. Kanina niya ipapasa. 5 seconds. Titira ng 3. No good. Si NCF Junior Cubs and the supporters feeling it. High kick to Supin. Now on the inside. Back to Supin here. 6 seconds to shoot. Diamante was there to get a point.
Grabe. Napakaganda nung pasa ni Supin. Out of nowhere. And Diamante. With that point conversion, talagang NCF Junior Cubs very much equipped and prepared for this matchup. Ateneo Junior Golden Knights, no good. Again, they need to make sure that their offense are good para dito sa natitirang 2 minutes and 56 seconds. Aike, passing the ball to Supin. A traveling was called on Supin para sa last sequence na yon. Now, ball possession ng Golden Knights.
Now with less than 3 minutes, the NCF Junior Cubs consistently giving their all here. At itong ating Ateneo Golden Knights still struggling to get a point. Now another steal was committed. Supin nagpamadali for a fast break. Now we only need a few minutes here. 71-36, very big gap. At napakahirap ng habulin during this time with only 2 minutes and 17 seconds remaining. Now let's see. Grabe din yung depensa na pinapakita ng NCF Junior Cubs. Hindi nila binibitawan yung kanilang laro dito. Even though they can have it. The momentum was on their side. Having that 2 minutes and 10 seconds, hindi nila hinahayaan itong Ateneo Golden Knights. But with that last sequence, jersey number 16 having that 3-point shot, Motor. And now we are down on the last 2 minutes of the game here.
Napakaganda ng point conversion on that last sequence para dito sa NCF Junior Cubs. Yung akala mo hindi na makakakuha ng puntos, pero at that moment, point conversion para sa kanilang kupunan. And this time, Aike naman on that libreng free layup rather on the side of the NCF Junior Cubs.
A minute and 22 seconds remaining. 75-39. That's a big gap here. And we're only waiting for the confirmation here. Because the NCF Junior Cubs showed us a good play here. Yung gameplay nila from the very start, very consistent. Players, lahat talaga nagbibigay ng puntos dito. Also, we have Vargas and Borromeo taking on the lead on the side of the Junior Cubs. Now Ateneo still having game here. Abiog, 4 seconds to shoot. And the ball will stay on the side of the Ateneo with only 1 second. A minute and 3 seconds remaining para dito sa ating last quarter. And after that long break, muling makukuha nga po ng NCF Junior Cubs yung kanilang panalo dito sa ating Bucal Season 6. Now comments to inbound. With that remaining minute of the game, talagang hinihintay na lang natin marinig yung ating buzzer to confirm that the NCF Junior Cubs gets this win this evening. 44 seconds remaining.
What a game para dito sa NCF Junior Cubs. After a long break, they are totally back para dito sa ating representing Bucal Season 6 and securing that second spot of our second round of elimination. Napakaganda ng kanilang performance ngayong araw na ito. And on the side, Ateneo Junior Golden Knight, maganda din ang kanilang ipinakita despite of their missing teammates. Talagang pinakitaan din tayo na magandang basketball game ng dalawang kupunan na ito. But on our game, makukuha ng NCF Junior Cubs ang panalo kontra Ateneo Junior Golden Knights. 77-41 is our final score. At panalo nga dito ang ating NCF Junior Cubs. Magbabalik po kami to know our best player of the game only here at Oragon Sports TV, Tiga ng mga Kampiyon.
The next generation of engineers, the Naga College Foundation College of Engineering focuses on developing the analytical skills of students, hands-on experience, and engagement in technology-based research and innovation. Our top-grade facilities, newly acquired tools and equipment, exceptional faculty, and comprehensive curriculum ensure that students are well prepared to meet the demands of the engineering profession. We want you not just to be job ready, but innovation ready. Be an empowered and CM engineer. Enroll now.
Join a community where creativity knows no bounds, where every idea is nurtured and every voice is heard. Discover your path, forge your future, and make your mark in the College of Arts and Sciences, where curiosity meets creativity and every voice is heard. A place where innovation thrives and diversity is celebrated.
Here in CAS, of course, you can be whatever you want to be.
NCF College of Arts and Sciences. Explore, create, transform, and innovate. Join us and be one of CAS.
Malakas at protektadong manok, unahin ang kalusugan. Nakastibay sa balanseng nutrisyon mula sa BMEG Integra. Katangi-tangi ang formulation nito. Meron itong balanseng protina at energy levels. Importanteng amino acids, vitamina at minerals. Siguradong malakas at protektado ang paglaki ng manok ninyo. Dito ka na sa BMEG Integra. Nakastibay sa balanseng nutrisyon.
Welcome to Unibersidad de Sta, Isabel, a place where excellence meets service. Here at USI, we empower our students with knowledge and skills and inspire to make a difference. Begin your journey to excellence and service with us.
Eyes on the target because it is time. One target, one mission. Designed for real-world challenges.
Our best player of the game is brought to you by Naga College. Our best player of the game is brought to you by Naga College Foundation, home of the champion, leap into the future. At Dugong Tigre nga ang nangibabaw for this game. What an exemplary performance coming from them. Our best player of the game is jersey number 13 with 14 points, 4 rebounds, 4 assists, 4 steals, and 1 block. He is none other than John Benedict Borromeo. Hello John Benedict, grabe, ikaw na naman ang ating best player of the game. Matanong ko lang, ano ba ang iyong naging motivation for this game against the Ateneo Golden Knights?
Nakinig lang po kay coach dahil siya lang po may alam doon na sa paglaro namin and tiwala lang po sa mga kampe. Yun lang po.
John Benedict, alam naman natin naging mabigat ang pagkatalo nyo against ACLC Hawks last game. Ano ba yung naging personal adjustments mo para maipakita mo ang larong ito dito kontra Ateneo?
Ano pa po pakiulit, ma'am? Pakiulit po.
Ano ba yung naging preparasyon mo dahil alam naman natin na naging magbigat ang pagkatalo nyo against ACLC Hawks. Ano ba yung personal na naging preparasyon mo para mapaghanda nitong labang ito kontra Ateneo?
Extra lang po and go hard lang po lagi sa training and palagi pong all out.
And of course, John Benedict, dahil ikaw ang ating best player of the game, batiin mo na magustong batiin.
Walang-una po nagpapasalamat ako kay God dahil binigyan lang kami yung lakas at tamang pag-iisip. And kay Pres Mario po dahil binigyan niya akong opportunity na makapaglaro dito sa Bucal Season 6. And kina mama po na lagi nagsusuporta sa akin na kahit na lagi nasa bahay, lagi nanonood. And sa NCF community po na laging nakasuporta, yun lamang po.
Thank you so much and congratulations. There you have it. That is our best player of the game from Naga College Foundation, John Benedict Borromeo. This has been your courtside reporter, Kayla Casolya. Balik sa inyo, Rick and team.
Ayan nga, nakilala na natin ang ating best player of the game. And again, John Benedict Borromeo showing us na kayang-kaya nilang manalo against the Ateneo Junior Golden Knights. So what a game for both teams. Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights versus the NCF Junior Cubs. Talagang pinakitaan tayo ng magandang laban at sulit na sulit at napuno ang ating venue. So maraming salamat po sa lahat ng sumuporta.
At hindi pa po dyan nagtatapos dahil sa Saturday and Sunday marami pa po tayong games na tututukan. At syempre makakasama niyo pa rin po kami. I am Christina Canzo Reyes.
And I am Rick Puerta. Tomorrow and on Sunday, tutukan natin ang iba't ibang matchup dito lang sa Bucal Season 6. Live only here at Oragon Sports TV.
Liga ng mga Kampyon.